Human Kite from another universe is behind this door. I can't fight him for obvious reasons, you know, alternative universe paradox shit. So you are going to have to take him out. You've got to really kick his ass, dude, so that he wants to return back to his universe on the East Coast. You ready? All right, go get him.
Zoom. Oh, hey, Kyle. I'm big. Who's your friend? Did he come to play with us?
All right, me from another universe. It is time for you to go back to your universe.
What do you mean, Kyle? We're a team, remember? I'm not from another universe. We're like best super pals.
As you can see, he is the one running around giving the Human Kite a bad name. He was sent here to destroy me and weaken my powers.
No, I came to spend 2 weeks with my cousin and wanted to play superheroes. And then he said, okay, what superhero do you want to be? And I said, I want to be Human Kite. But he said, you can't be Human Kite. I'm Human Kite. And I said, well, why can't we be Human Kites together? So I went to Aunt Sheila and I said, I want to be Human Kites together. And she told him he had to do what I said because I was the guest. Remember?
I'm sorry, me from another universe, but it is time for you to learn that playing superheroes is too painful. New kid, you must now destroy my alter ego.
Oh, Jesus, we're gonna fight?
That's right. If you really want to play, then this is how you do it.
Well, all right. Anything to make me and my cousin more alike. Prepare for battle, weakling. I haven't done a whole lot of sparring. Is this a no-contact thing?
Full contact, not sparring.
Oh, I'm afraid that's impossible. I didn't bring my pads.
It's happening. Get him, new kid.
Cousin Kyle, we can beat him if we join forces.
Yeah, I really want to, but parallel universe rules say I can't.
Oh my, hot. Oh my, there's a lot of decisions in this game, aren't there?
You could not play. That's a decision you could make.
Oh, don't be silly. Oh, you guys, time out. My vertigo is starting to act up.
Jesus, come on, dude.
Okay, I think my inner ear fluids have stabilized now. That last hit didn't count, right? I'm undoing that damage, okay, Kyle?
That's some classic alternate universe bullshit.
Didn't your parents tell you not to play with fire? Because look what's happening now. Hold on, I need a timeout so I can use my inhaler. Cousin Kyle, I called a timeout and he didn't listen. You know my asthma flares up when I exert myself. Yeah, I think this would be a lot more fair if I had a shield. Some kind of shield, like the Sefer Torah, which also has a great sentimental value.
Dude, Human Kite is an alien. There's no Jewish stuff involved. And you can't just make up powers in the middle of a battle.
I'm not making it up. It's totally canon in my alternate universe. Phew. Does anyone have hydrocortisone cream, preferably prescription strength? Wait, I thought I should get this turn instead of the new kid because he didn't wait when I said timeout earlier, so I think it should be my turn now.
Are you kidding me? That's totally cheating.
Oh, geez, I didn't think I'd actually hit you. That hurt my shoulder because my shoulder is sensitive because I pulled a muscle catching a balloon. All right, here we go. My super ultimate power. Get ready. Are you ready?
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, Wrath Kite from an alternate universe. Yeah. Oh, Jesus! I think I might have ruptured my hernia.
You had enough, alternate me?
Yeah, the superhero stuff really hurts. I better go back to my universe.
Oh, you're leaving? Dude, that sucks.
Yeah, I'll be going back to my universe now, Human Kite. I need some Camphofenique for my ear because I got a scrape on it by being farted on.
Dude, I don't know how to thank you. From now on, call on me whenever you need help. Okay, yeah, just 2 heroes hanging out. Sweet. I'm going to be here for a while.
Yeah, kitty. Where's that goddamn cat at? Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. I just need a little huff to get me over the hump. Come on, kitty. Yeah, kitty, kitty.
Not bad, new kid, not bad. Way to go out and get some followers on Coonstagram. I think you're ready for the next level. Head back to the Coon lair. Coon, out.
Fuck. You, crap. Fuck. You, mom.
Ah, there you are, butthole. Being a superhero is a little harder than you thought, huh? It's okay, you totally suck, but I can't help but feel sorry for you because your dad fucked your mom when you were a child. Come this way. I'm gonna teach you about artifacts. You see, most superheroes augment their abilities with specialized equipment. You see this? It's a strength artifact. You'll find things like these all over town. The trick is to equip them into your artifact slots. Go on, give it a shot. Every artifact has a specific place it can be slotted on your body. Equip this one to boost your strength stats. It might be a little uncomfortable at first. Your DNA is fusing with it. You'll find more artifacts out there during your superhero adventures, and you can even craft your own. Just remember, with great power comes great chicks and money. I think you're ready to take on those 6th graders now. Go give them hell, butt lord. Oh, hey, new kid. You found your first fast travel station. Look for more. They'll make your life way easier.
Here, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Just throw a rock at it. No, I get to throw a rock at it.
Just throw a firecracker instead.
Nuh-uh, those are expensive. Give me the rock. Hey, it's that little Fourthy again. All right, Fourthy, time to teach you a lesson.
Are we really going to take on the 6th graders? No mercy, guys!
Sure, invite all the 4th friends you want to this ass kicking. More ass for me.
Okay, let's see what you got, new kid. Somebody wake me when it's my turn. That's going to leave some scars.
Who to torment? I choose you.
No. Yeah, I saw that coming.
If nothing else, beating on you guys is really therapeutic for me. Took that like a champ, Fourthy. It's my turn now. Have your boyfriend massage that for you.
Oh, I'm up? Okay. I like our odds. Hey, fuck you. I'm Super Craig.
Stupid Craig?
I said fuck you. Got something for ya. Oh, that was a blow to the ego. Go nuts, new kid. Are we doing this, or what? Fuck! Take your medicine, Fourthies! Yeah! Yeah! Take that, Fourthie!
Okay, who's the next target of my unbridled rage?
Half kite, half man, all crime fighter!
Ugh.
And here I always thought kites were lame. How can you change your mind, Super Craig? Who says I changed my mind? Go anytime, Craig. Don't rush me, Kite. The longer we... You got this!
You butt munch? Ah!
Ugh. Feel the wrath of Human Kite! Man, we kicked some 6th grade ass! Okay, that was pretty badass. We make a good team! See ya, man!
All right, that was sweet. Wait until it gets on the internet about how the Coon and friends beat up 4 6th graders. This is great for our franchise. Kind of sucks for you, though, new kid, because now the 6th graders are going to be coming after you. You probably should have done that. That was pretty stupid. Okay, now go and get our franchise more followers.